You can ask.
Yeah, hi, sorry. Thank
Hi,
you.
Athi.
Do I have to turn on the video? Yeah. Okay, sorry. So I was wondering, so like let's say you are in the middle of Tampa, right? And
Yes.
you are doing your bar course in Manchester. And how should I put it? So I think there are like 12 qualifying sessions
Yes.
in the East. Right? May I know more about them? Because I don't actually understand like what we are supposed to do, and do we have to travel to London, and how long each session is, and what do we have to do in the sessions? Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your question. Okay, so if you are in London, it is going to be 12 qualifying sessions. If you are out of London, such as anywhere not London, which means Manchester, Liverpool, Bristol, Birmingham, Nottingham, you are reasonably required to do 10 qualifying sessions, which means 6 face-to-face qualifying sessions and 4 online qualifying sessions. Okay, what is all these qualifying sessions? Okay, qualifying sessions, why they say it's important is like what I've told in my slide, what I've addressed. It is very important in, it is very important to enhance your connection, your networking opportunities, and you'll be learning a lot of things. So Miss Ivy, example right now, if you're doing the bar, you will have something called as examination in chief, cross-examination, civil advocacy. The ins, basically your Middle Temple or Grays or Lincolns, what they will be doing is they will be providing you assistance, such as they will be having advocacy, I forgot, Northern Advocacy Fair. Then they will put there wait, how can I share it to you? Just give me 1 minute. I will log in my Middle Temple and show you how it works.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, because if I were to say, you won't understand. I need to show. Wait, let me get.
So
Hmm.
right, and for the face-to-face sessions, do you have to like stay overnight or something like?
It is not
Yeah.
necessary. Where are you from? You just let me know.
Oh, actually, now I'm doing my third year in the University of Liverpool, so I haven't started my bar course yet.
Okay, okay, understandable. Okay, so wait, let me share my screen first. Liverpool is a nice place to do.
I prefer Manchester. I went to Manchester the other day. You know, there was like a
Oh,
huge
you can go to
event.
BPP Manchester.
Oh,
I will explain to you that later. Okay, can you see
oh,
this?
that's nice. Thank you. Yes, yes.
Okay, so for me, it's my member number and everything. Okay, so this is how. Can you see online?
Yes.
Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
okay, wait. Mine is quite different. Wait, mine is quite different because I was an out of London student. Okay, if you pandai
Mm-hmm.
can do. Ever since this COVID, post-COVID also, pre-COVID also same, post-COVID also same. You need to have a reasonable reason why you're not traveling. So at that point of time, I had my papers to sit. That is why you will see more online sessions. Can you see online? But the
Yes.
standard is, if you're going out of London, it is 10 qualifying sessions. But if you're doing in London, it is 12 qualifying sessions. Why out of London is 10, and when you're doing it in London is 12? Because you're near to London, so they expect you to travel. That is
What
why a
if
lot
I'm
of students opt to out
Bristol,
of
Cardiff?
London. Pardon?
What if I'm in like Bristol, Cardiff, like those states that are closer to
10,
London?
10, 10.
Oh, okay.
Anything but not London is 10.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
And in online sessions, what do you actually do?
Online sessions, they will be literally teaching you how to do the legal research. And then like, can you see this Northern Circuit Education Day?
Yes.
Okay, this one was a face-to-face session. They will train my advocacy, which means you will be doing bail application. You will be mitigating bail application. And this is very useful. If you will to practice in the UK, for your first 3 months, for your second half of the pupillage, you have to do bail application. But if you're practicing in Malaysia, in your short call, you will do bail mitigation also if you're under the criminal practice law. They will train you how to do bail mitigation.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Yeah, so
And
this is how, can you see?
yeah.
Pupillage advice clinic, they would have, and then all this research, mostly research. And then can you see,
Yeah.
for out of London students, especially only out of London students, whoever who's doing in city London, I think cannot lah, because they are London students, like that. So face to face, the points. So at the end of the day, you need to have 10 points in order for you to get called to the bar.
I see. Thank you. But just asking, so such as like I think for example like the Northern Circuit Education Day.
Yeah.
So how long was it? Like what time did you have to be there? And what time did you like get back?
I was in BPP Manchester, and you need to pandai lah, book the session earlier because it was held in University of Law Manchester. It was,
Oh.
I think from uni, it was just a 2 or 3 minutes walk. And how I think I spent the whole day, but it was worth it. You'll have free food. Not only free food, you will gain a lot of how to say advocacy training, mooting, and last but not least, you will, if you're very good, if you're very very good, and if they like how the way you do your application, right, they would be giving you grand prizes, such as like, they were having that time 250 pounds, whoever those who win and everything, and you will get to experience real lawyers, like those lawyers who are going to the court, not like what you watch in Suits. Real lawyers will be, assisting and teaching you lah, basically.
I see, thank you. And also I was wondering, so could you like tell me a bit more about like those sessions where you had to travel to London? How were they like?
Okay, so if you want to travel faster, go by train, but if you want to travel economically, use the bus. That's it. when I went to London, that was the first time I went to London because sorry lah, I am quite like a raccoon, very introvert. So that was the
It's
first time I went to London and I joined, and you will see all your friends. Like what you're studying in University of Liverpool, suddenly some fellow who said that he will never do the bar, you will see the fellow standing there. So that point of time, they will do an introduction of what are the inns, what the inns do, how they function, and they will also they will talk about current issues. At that point of time, I think they were talking about the treaty, European Union, right? The Brexit, about Brexit, yeah, they were talking about Brexit at that point of time. You just got to sit and hear lah, just got to sit and hear, and you cannot get out. Yeah, but you cannot get out from the session just halfway, because when you enter, they will take a paper. You have to print earlier itself. They will give, that is your attendance paper lah, because you will have your own membership ID and the code, barcode, all they will scan and everything. So you will enter, and then you have to sit there, listen. They will have a lunch break. You go out with your friends and eat, and then they will call you back, and then you have to eat dinner with them, and then just networking session, talk with them. You can talk to the lawyers there, how to tackle. They will tell you. Instead, the lawyers, when I had my dinner session with them, they were talking criminal is his forte and how to do cross examination, the skills on how to do cross examination. They will teach you there. Everything is like, it's like a friendly manner. They will never scold you. So yeah, that's how you do that.
Thank you. So like, let's say for that day that you went, so what time did you like go back to Manchester?
Oh, I took the next day only. I stayed there. I stayed in Great Britain.
Oh,
Yeah.
so where can you stay when what are the places you can stay at? Like, yeah.
If your friend is staying in London, your friend's house. If your friend is not staying in London, you need to book Airbnb with your friends lah. That one, example, I went with my friends. I had to share money lah. Go Dutch. I went
Oh,
Dutch.
I see. Okay,
Fine
sorry for the silly question. Yeah.
What is this iPhone? Telling fine friends. Yeah, fine friends. But if you will to do the bar course, all the friends will come lah. I'm pretty sure you are in Liverpool. You need you know how to expand your circle. I don't need to tell you, but right, during the networking, I mean, like during your induction day itself, people itself come and find you, although you don't want to talk, right? That's the same thing.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. And also, I was wondering, like, aside from these qualifying sessions, are there like other sessions that we can join, like optional stuff, like events in the inns?
Can. Yes, you can join.
Also there are.
But yeah, but the online session, if you want to join online session, like I told you, it's 6 face-to-face and 4 online. The online session also, the first online session will be free. After that, they will charge £7.
Oh, so like it's like outside the qualifying sessions, like some events, like online sessions, you have to pay.
No. The online qualifying sessions you have to pay, but certain sessions, like the event, like example, like Treasury, KC, Richmond's, whatever, like justice speech or anything, if it's online, you can go for free. Yeah, sometimes it's for free.
Oh, so some, like the first online is free, but the remaining ones you have to pay £7.
Yes.
But some of the others are like free, so it depends.
Yes, it depends.
So how about the face-to-face? Are those paid? What do we have to
No,
pay?
face-to-face, no need to pay.
Okay.
Everything free. The food also you can choose free only.
Okay, so like if I'm doing it in London and I have 12 sessions, are they all face-to-face since I'm already in London?
No, if you're doing it in London, it's 12 qualifying sessions, which is 6 online, 6 face-to-face. If you're doing it out of London, it is 10 sessions, 4 sessions online, 6 sessions face-to-face.
Okay, thank you.